How does SMS OTP work for MFA? Imagine trying to access your cloud account and suddenly needing to prove you are really you. That's where multi-factor authentication, or MFA, steps in to keep things secure. One common way MFA does this is through SMS one-time passwords, or OTPs. But how exactly does that work? Let's break it down in simple terms. When you log into a cloud service like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, or Google Cloud, you start by entering your username and password. That's your first factor, what you know. Once the system confirms your credentials, it moves to the second step. The system generates a unique, temporary code called an OTP. This code is usually a 6-digit number that changes every few seconds or minutes. The cloud provider's MFA system sends this OTP via SMS to your registered mobile phone number. This step uses your phone's telecommunication network to deliver the code securely. When you receive the message, you input the OTP into the login screen. This proves you have possession of your mobile device, which is the second factor in MFA. The system then checks if the code you entered matches the one it generated. If it does and it's still valid within the time window, you get access to your cloud resources. If the code doesn't match or has expired, access is denied. This process adds a layer of security because even if someone steals your password, they still need your phone to get the OTP. It's important to remember that SMS OTP is considered a something you have factor. It's simple and user-friendly, which is why many organizations use it. But it isn't perfect. SMS messages can sometimes be intercepted, or attackers can perform SIM swapping, where they take over your phone number. That's why many cloud providers recommend combining SMS OTP with other security measures like virtual authentication apps or hardware tokens. In cloud environments, SMS OTP helps protect sensitive data and cloud workloads by making sure only authorized users can access them. For example, Azure Active Directory supports SMS OTP as one of its MFA options, and Google Cloud Identity Platform offers it alongside other methods. In DevOps or cloud management, adding SMS OTP to your security setup means only trusted personnel can perform critical tasks. It's a simple way to add an extra barrier against unauthorized access. Overall, SMS OTP for MFA is a widely used, easy-to-understand method that boosts cloud security. It makes sure you're not just relying on a password but also proving you have your mobile device. Still, it's smart to consider its limitations and combine it with other security tools to keep your cloud environment safe.